It's not a house. It's a fucking little trailer or something. I don't know.
Why wouldn't it be in the fucking caboose of the train?
Oh, it's a train? That's a train? That's supposed to be a train. I thought it was supposed to be a house. Don't film me.
This is.
Don't film me till later. I thought it was supposed to be a house.
I do know. These big wheels go on here. Look at.
All right.
They go with this. The big wheels. These tiny wheels. These gotta go on sides like this.
What?
Swear.
Oh, they stick.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, 'cause look. It says. Oh, one at a time. I'm sorry. One right here. One right here. One right here.
I don't, okay,
I know it
maybe.
sounds really weird, but.
It's like it's 4-pointed.
And then it's got these trees in it, like if it was wheelbarrowing these trees.
No, I don't know. Why are we wheelbarrowing trees?
I don't know. That's what it
Is that tree have a bite taken out of it on the bottom?
The what?
No?
You know what's going to be so great about this? Is Sade thinks that she has video on me, footage on me, where I'm just being a fucking...
She probably does.
No, she does. Come with
She
us.
takes footage of everything.
So this is where I'm getting her back. This is paybacks. Except for she's not here, so that's not
What
going
does
to
she
work.
have footage of you doing?
But watch this. We're going to accomplish this motherfucker.
The gingerbread.
I think. I don't know.
You know, like, I mean, accomplish. I think maybe.
Okay, it does give us directions.
Depends on what your mission is.
Now, okay, I get it. Alright, I get it. We need to go like this. Watch. It's supposed to go like this. Sorry, I'm nervous. Wait. Right. This.
You look familiar.
Kayla does?
Yeah, you look familiar to me too.
Did you go to prison?
No, I haven't.
No, just stop
I've
it.
been
Knock
to jail,
on
but
wood.
not long enough to know
Stop
that.
it.
Huh?
Who do you know around here?
Fucking nobody.
Nobody knows any. Don't.
I
don't
don't know nobody.
Nobody.
I don't
Exactly.
even know this bitch right here. I just
For
came
real?
here and wanted water.
You want a
Really?
drink?
No.
Well, I was like, what the fuck?
Do you want a
I
drink?
just keep knocking on the door asking for water.
And I gave you. I'm sorry. I didn't even give you a drink.
And she gave me ice
That's
cream.
just so rude.
You guys do know each other somehow.
Well, no, not really. No, you, Kayla, you never really know somebody.
Yeah. I mean, like, you could though.
No,
Because
shut the
you're-
fuck
no,
up.
listen, You could though because